All right, here we go. My testimony. I saw Satan fall like lightning. I saw darkness run for cover. But still the miracle that I just can't get over. My name is registered in heaven. I believe in signs and wonders. I have resurrection power. But still the miracle that I just can't get over. My name is registered in heaven. Oh, my praise belongs to you forever. Yeah, this is my testimony. From death to life, His grace rewrote my story. I'm justified by Jesus Christ the righteous. I'm justified. This is my testimony. This is my testimony. Oh, 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 oh. Together, sons and daughters, bought with blood and washed in water. Sing the praises of the Spirit, Son and Father. Our God will finish what He started. Yes, our God will finish what He started. Yeah, this is my testimony. From death to life, His grace rewrote my story. I'm justified by Jesus Christ the righteous. I'm justified. This is my testimony. This is my testimony. Oh, 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 oh. If I'm not dead, then you're not done. Greater things are still to come. Ooh, I believe. If I'm not dead, then you're not done. Greater things are still to come. Ooh, I believe. If I'm not dead, then you're not done. Greater things are still to come. Ooh, I believe. If I'm not dead, then you're not done. Greater things are still to come. Oh, I believe. This is my testimony. From death to life, His grace rewrote my story. I'm justified by Jesus Christ the righteous. I'm justified. This is my testimony. This is my testimony. This is my testimony. From death to life, His grace rewrote my story. I'm justified by Jesus Christ the righteous. I'm justified. This is my testimony. This is my testimony. Oh, 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 oh. I think we got it.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of My Testimony by Elevation Worship with me and Jimmy Cooper. Jimmy Cooper runs the YouTube channel for Hey Worship Leader, so if you want some more worship leading tips, every single week he puts out a ton of great videos, so go check him out. I'll leave a link down in the description below. I wanted to try something different this week because usually it's just me playing with an acoustic guitar, mimicking if you were the only one in your church leading worship, if you were there by yourself. But I understand some of you lead with other guitarists, so I wanted to show you how I might do some things differently if I were to play with another guitarist. So I'm putting this one out this week, this cover of My Testimony out this week. Next week, I'm going to put out a cover of the same song, My Testimony by Elevation Worship, except next week it's just going to be me playing, and hopefully you can compare the two and see how I do things differently depending on what my instrumentation is. Also, you might have seen some advanced guitar chords in this cover. Maybe you weren't familiar with them. That's all right. I want to teach you those guitar chords. So there's a link down in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I will show you some advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your playing. So if you're interested in that, click the link in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.